Hi, myself Apurva Jyoti. Welcome back. Again, today we are going to learn something new about the lesson and all. Hope everyone are fine and using mask. Right? Very good. So let's start up with the lesson. Some 100 years later, these tribes settled down in villages on the bank of the river Ganga and Yamuna. They began cultivating crops like rice and wheat. During these times, the Janapadas were getting established and the leaders of the tribes were trying to become kings. Yes, see here, some hundreds of years back, what happened? These tribal people who are there, they started settling down, means they started staying in the villages permanently, which is to the bank of the river, means to the corner of the rivers like Ganga and Yamuna. And they started cultivating crops, growing farm crops and all, like rice, wheat, these type of crop they started growing. During these times, the Janapadas were established. So during this time, what happened? The Janapadas, which is there, they start they were getting established, and the leaders of the tribes were trying to become kings. And the leaders of this tribal community who are there, they started becoming king for that areas. During these times, the Vedic hymns were compiled in the Yajurveda and Atharvana Veda. They now describe very elaborate rituals, especially fire sacrifices, which lasted not only many weeks and months, but also cost of wealth and animals. These hymns describe the king praying for power over other members for the tribe for better crops and victory in wars. So during these times, what happened? These hymns, like the stories, mantras which are there, these all are being also written or elaborated, compiled or written in Yajurveda and Atharvana Veda. Before it was like only in one Veda it was written, right? Rigveda. Now they are being compiled, they are being transferred or translated into Yajurveda and Atharvana Veda also. And they are describing, they are elaborating and they are describing the rituals. Means these are so and so rituals are there. They started elaborating detailedly, they started telling about the rituals and all, especially fire sacrifices. So this fire sacrifices was the most famous one, because they started doing this fire sacrifices and all to impress the god, so that they'll be getting the power. Who is doing this? The tribal leaders and all are doing, so that they get the power of other king, the kingdom of other king into their hands. They are requesting, they are praying gods for the victory and for the better crops, means good crops. It was during these times that we see the emergency of an idea that society be divided into varnas in the need of performing diverse functions. The Brahmins were considered the highest and were expected to conduct sacrifices and recite the Vedas. The Kshatriyas were next to them and were expected to rule over the kingdom and protect the people. See, what happened during this time when these kings and all are performing like this fire sacrifices and all. During that time, they started, now there is a situation emerged, means started, that the people who are there, they should be divided into different varnas, different caste. Like few people were divided into Brahmins and they were treated the highest caste, giving all the powers to do sacrifice and all. They are giving an idea to the society that this Brahmins who are there, they should be considered the highest, and they can do any sacrifice or prayers to god, and they can recite Vedas. No others can do that. Next, Kshatriyas, they have given importance. Second place they have given to Kshatriyas. they can fight in the war, and they have a power to control the kingdom and the people living there, and they have to protect the people also. The Vaishyas tended the cattle, tilled the fields, and gave gifts and tribute to Brahmins and Kshatriyas. And next, coming to Vaishyas. Vaishyas are the people who used to grow the cattle, till the land, means cultivation work they used to do. After the process is done, what all the crop is produced, they used to give that as a gift to kings and kshatriyas, or else they used to gift land or something to the brahmins and kshatriyas. And finally, by post Vedic time, the Sudras had evolved into a distinct group Varna. So, by end of this post Vedic time, these Sudras, means lower caste people, they have been emerged as a new group or a new Varna, like new caste. They are fourth Varna. Now they are divided as a fourth last Varna, who practice the professions like agriculture, carpentry, pottery, and so on. These Sudras, they used to do the work, like they have the occupation like pottery making, cultivation, carpenter work. All these are the works they used to do. At the time, a division of labor has taken place between men and women too. So even the division of labor work, like women can also do, men can also do, but that time it was being divided among them also for the labor work. These ideas, of course, were not accepted by all. Obviously, do we accept? Even in our family, we say that mama, boy, and girl are equal, right? So, the same way, they also said that the division between men and women is not equal, or division between upper caste and lower caste is also not acceptable. We don't act we don't accept that. Most of the people were against it. If you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to put your mask. Be safe at home, stay healthy. Thank you.